What's going on, guys? Mr. Game Killer here. So today is Halloween and I'll be going to Not Scary Farm with my uncles, which is going to be fun. And I might probably upload this video on Tuesday, which is not Halloween anymore. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. We finally got here.
Gee, I'm scared. Will you fight off the zombies for me?
Yeah. Hello. Scary. Pretty scary. It's cold.
Oh yeah, I remember this thing.
What?
They're trying to make it look like a farm.
Wait, don't they have farms here? In the park? No? Costumes, lit.
They still make jams for that. I don't know if they still do it here, but they're still not very
So lit.
awkward. They should have more than one farm.
Here, go, Thumb.
Okay, you can throw away.
I can? Oh. Oh my god. I didn't even see that.
Hey, you want to get a picture?
That already scared me. It's scary.
Oh, we can do the rapids too.
The what?
The rapids.
What's that?
Remember the water rapids?
Oh yeah, let's go on that. let's get soaked, Gautam.
Wait, where's
Let's
the
get
entrance?
soaked.
Are we in? Where are we going?
I don't know, where are we going?
Just
So
walk
dark.
around. You don't need to look at the map.
I'm so scared. Sorry for the lightning.
I don't know.
Over there.
It's the monster.
The Nicholas
The monster.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it's so cold.
You cold?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah.
I know.
Later on, I think when you go inside the I'm not even cold.
What? He's gonna scare us. He's a troll. We're going on our first maze. What?
Trick or treat is the one where you shoot at people.
I don't know. I don't know what the other maze is called with the guns. It is so nice. It's scary. Danny, are you ready to get scared?
I'm not scared.
Huh?
I'm not scared.
Oh, you sure? What?
They asked you to turn
Oh,
out.
we just got finished with Tooth Fairy. It was so it was Where are we heading next?
We just follow the path.
What?
I think we just follow the path.
Okay. It's every day, bro. Yum. Yum yum. Food. Alright, let's go this way. Let's go this way. I'm gonna get scared. Oh, it is so dark. Let's see if I can turn on the light. Nope. That's the brightest it can go. That's the brightest it can go. Oh! Oh, sis! I can't see! I can't see! Oh, it is so foggy. It smells so bad. Ready? What? Someone's gonna jump scare us. Someone's gonna jump scare us. It's so dark. Someone's gonna jump scare us. Someone's gonna jump scare us. Someone's gonna jump scare us. I told you. Ready? Ready? Someone's gonna jump. Jump scare. Jump scare. Jump scare somewhere.
See it right here, on the right.
On the right? On the right?
Where are they? Gone?
Oh. Oh.
Kind of scary.
They're all gone this year, huh? We probably went too late, that's why.
No.
No?
They open at 7. We came at 8.
Oh, really? I thought they opened at 6.
No, they open at 7 every year. So you only come an hour after they open. They open to midnight.
Oh,
So
really?
you're in the right time. You go trick-or-treating?
No, I don't go trick-or-treating anymore. The last time I went trick-or-treating, what happened?
We need to go on some rides.
Wait, what happened?
Did someone scare the baby?
Oh my god, someone scared the baby.
Oh my god! How did you
Oh, someone scared the baby.
Come on, you sexy.
The baby's just chilling actually. You could probably hear that, I'm sorry. He did not scare me. Did not scare me. Oh damn. Oh no! He broke his thing. He broke it. Where are we going? Where are we going next?
Uh-oh, do we have to drink it all before we bring it in?
I don't know, probably.
Take it off.
Huh?
Drink it first before we throw it away. No, drink it.
Well, we're not allowed to bring drinks?
No, you can, but yours okay.
Oh, mine's okay?
Just hide it in your pocket.
Okay.
You can. This one is not.
Oh. Alright. Rip. I probably have to brighten this while editing. Red Barn.
Oh, let's go in that one. That's a new one.
Which one? Oh no, I don't know.
Park's really loud.
We're going on the rapid raft or something, river raft or whatever it's called. It's pretty cool. Lit.
But dude, it's kinda nice, huh?
Huh?
Kinda nice like this, huh?
What is?
Just like the atmosphere, the lighting.
Yeah, I like it. I actually like the lighting.
I like the lighting like this, like very majestic.
It's calming. Oh, finally. We get light back. Woo! It smells so bad. It smells so bad. It smells like, I don't know, but it smells bad. Huh?
There's no line. There's no line.
Oh.
Not scared doesn't have a line.
It didn't have a line? Woo! We're gonna get so wet. Super wet. We're gonna get cold too. My bad. Gang. I'm freezing. What if the actors actually go on the ride with us? Whee! Oh, I'm so excited, finally. I want to go on a ride that I can actually record a bit. My recording skills are so bad. Probably most of them are cut. Gang. It's every day, bro, with the cookie mail. Yo, just kidding. Banter, I'll cut that out. Can't banter. Oh. How far is this line?
There's nobody.
Because it's cold. Of course, nobody will be here.
Every year there's not a lot of people on the street.
What?
Every year you see there's not a lot of people on the street.
Oh. It's cold. How far does the raft even go? Oh. Awesome, we're here. 18. Alright. Do we get our own thing? At Disneyland, it is.
Here, I have a napkin. Yeah, please, clean. Alright guys, quickly to our seats. We can fix ourselves in.
I'm barely even wet. Oh god. Oh my god. People. Cringe.
You have this one in your backyard?
What?
At your house? You have a river like that?
Oh yeah. I actually would go on that every single day. I said I would go on that every single day. Okay, now time back for coldness. Gang. What do you say, Kotam? You wanna go see that?
For 45 minutes.
Oh, I think, I don't know what that one is. You need Lito?
I'm looking for number 7.
Number 7? Oh.
Is this the dark ride? That barn was kind of worth it though.
To wait. No, don't record me. Bumper cars, yeah. Oi. You think we can get on?
Yeah. Just a couple empty seats. That's it?
This thing? It's every day. Oh, bumper cars. Yes!
Oh, we made it.
Yay! Hell yeah! Alright, I'll get this one. I'm gonna crash. Oh! I hurt myself. I just hurt myself. Uncle Danny. We're going to die. Oh. I'm gonna fail. Ah, yes, no, no. Go. It's so hard to drive with one hand. I'm gonna get him. Uncle Danny! Where's Go Thumb? Let's find Go Thumb and crash him. Oh, he's right there, he's right there. Oh! Let's go, I'm gonna get him. No, no. No. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I need to switch hands. Crash. Crash. I'm gonna get him. Oh, it's over. Oh, too fast. They're coming. They're coming.
They're so far, this is like
Oh, it's blurry. It's so blurry.
right there. What are you talking about?
But
There.
wait,
I remember right there. No? Where? Right there. That's going up. Going down. This is the kids zone. I know, that's
He creepy. He creepy.
Rather than climbing out. He's really chasing her.
I told you they're catching us.
Something here.
What?
Quick lane or something shallow.
What is here? Is this the clown? Is this the clown ride? Shadowlands. Wait minute is
15 is okay? That was great.
I gotta do an outro yesterday because I came home like around 12, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, subscribe and comment, and yeah, peace.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.